So everybody has a heart, but everybody's heart is very hard, like a rock, steel frame. Has to be juiced, has to be put through the juicer. You have to squeeze very hard to make the heart soft and get juice out of it. And that's the process of bhakti. It begins there, the softening of the heart. The cleansing of the mind means softening of the heart. The mind becomes dirty because the heart is hard. When the heart is hard, then the mind becomes ganda, dirty. So Mahaprabhu said, Cheto Dharmana Marjanam. Cheto Dharmana Marjanam, you have to really scrub and clean. This vim powder and this thing and that thing, and really work hard. So here's Krishna. He's a lover. He's the dashing, immaculate, transcendental lover with a peacock feather stuck in his hair, just to say to society, you know. Everyone wears their top hat or their tie and shirt. And Krishna does this, oh, here's my hair. He just wraps it up like this. Oh, we need hey boys, we need a finishing touch. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this peacock feather. Yeah, give me that. Ta. I'm Krishna. That's all I need. A peacock feather in my hair. I don't need a diamond brooch. I don't need a moti mala. I don't need anything. I'm cool the way I am. This is Krishna. Dear Lalita. Imagine, so puffed up, so proud. I just throw something over my neck, some piece of cloth over my neck, stick my chest out, and tie up my hair and put a peacock feather, and I just walk around like I own the place. I do nothing but play. I have no responsibilities. I have no cares, no worries, no children. I don't own these cows. They're owned by my father. If I lose 10 of them or 20 of them, he's not going to spank me because he loves me too much. I'll just say some Adivasis came from Rajasthan and they stole some cows. Oh, come on, you should be more attentive. That's all. Take some rubbery, be more attentive. So I have no bills, no tax, nothing. Just play. I'm a play lord. This is a play land. And my life is full of play. So why not come play with me? This is the nirmantran. This is the invitation. An invitation to play, an invitation to love, an invitation to sing, an invitation to dance, an invitation to eat a feast, invitation to want to wrestle, let's wrestle. Invitation to splash water, to throw colors, to ride on a swing, to dance under the trees, to dance under the moon, to dance on the banks of a river, to dance in a forest, to dance in a cave, to climb a mountain, to enter a cave. It's all play. It's Vrindavan. It's Krishna. And he's so playful, and he's so carefree, and we're so uptight, and we're so unplayful, and so like rigid and steel-hearted, because we're in Maya. We're all heavily covered. You, me more than all of you. We're all covered so much by Maya, but we're looking at this kind of world, and we're hearing about this kind of world, and we want to enter this kind of world. So, what can we do? We're enchanted, we're entranced, we're astonished, we're captivated, we're hooked, we're stuck. Can't quit. Can't quit, and you can't go forward. When Krishna's Kaviraj when he defines prema, he said, what is prema? What is this Mahabhav? What is this prema of Radha and Krishna? What can you compare it with? You know what it's like? It's like garam gana, ati garam gana ras. Ati garam gana ras. It's like hot sugar cane juice. You know sugar cane juice? Sweet green juice. Ras, liquid, drink, beverage. Sugarcane juice. It's hot, it's boiling. And why? Because this prema of Radha and Krishna, this intimate, beautiful, loving affairs they have in transcendental realm and spiritual bodies of Satchidananda, transcendence and pure, immaculate beings, their love is so sweet. It's so sweet. It's so sweet you can't resist. It's too sweet to resist and too hot to drink. This is hot sugarcane juice. It's sugarcane juice. It's so sweet. I really want to drink this juice, but it's so burning hot. I'll burn my tongue off. I'll be suffering for days. So Krishna's prema is so sweet, but we're so bitter. Our hearts are so bitter, our minds are so bitter. So we have to prepare ourselves by doing bhakti bhajan. It becomes sweet.